Okay, see you back on channel Polita Media. In our video this time, we'll try to make a picture like this. The banner is like this. Okay, if we run our website that we just made before,
Yeah.
we run like this, the result. Well, the result is still like this. There is no banner yet. Now let's make the banner. Below this script, I will add script like this. Okay, next. Before you guys have to prepare one folder. In the folder that is the IMG folder. Next, in this IMG folder, there is a picture later. This is what we're going to use later for the banner. Here it is then. I will create a file. Well, here I do it. I click on this one. Here I name it style.css. CSS is like that. Well, here we start to make the script. This has to do with where. Watch it, we're going to use this banner class. So later he will show up. Later, here, welcome to the image website. Welcome to the picture. In the picture later on the banner. Okay means here, we call this one class banner. Let's call where the picture is. The picture is here. The image folder image means here we make IM. This line appears automatically. Yes. Okay, like that semicolon. Well, next time we save all. Okay, next. After that, we continue the script. Well, here we do it. Background size. When you're done, don't forget to save. Let's see the results. Well, like this. Already made it, yeah? You guys can find the picture that the resolution. Big, yeah. The resolution is large. Let me find it first. Guys, I paused the video first. Well, like this, yeah, this is a bit better.
Yeah.
Already, so yeah guys, that's how to insert a banner. In this exercise, learning to Bootstrap for beginners. I hope this tutorial is useful. Continue to watch Polita Media channel. Thank you.